Don't y'all hate it when this happens? Yeah, I'll be on my what? Crap. Well, time to go on the swings. Ugh, frick. Oh, phone, get out the way. I'm trying to swing. Howdy guys. I've made a decision that I'm gonna try to save money. I don't want to waste money on useless stuff I don't need. So we're gonna find out if my phone can be able to shut down a tree, because we need that lumber. Alright, making sure. I don't know, man. It comes close. Maybe if I hit it far. It still doesn't work. Ugh. Hopefully we can get this lumber. Ugh. Okay, just to conclude, I don't think you can destroy a tree with a phone. Not really gonna work. Let's see if a tripod works though. Frick. Oh, stupid water bug out the way. Frick! Oh man, Mom's gonna kill me. What should I do? I know. I should dry it. Ugh. Hope this works. Ugh. Oh heck yeah! Wonder if it still works though. Oh shit. Elijah!
Oh my god, last guy. Oh my god, victory royale!
Howdy guys, and today we're going to basically doing a review / smash dash. It's going to be a bit interesting. So we're going to review something, and then we're going to do a smash dash on something. And here's what we got. So we're doing a smash dash on the new 3DS XL, and doing a review on a new iPhone 11. Now I lost my contacts earlier today, so hopefully it doesn't affect the review and smash dash, but yeah, let's get right into it. So here's the new iPhone 11. It's kinda looks like the XL size, pretty big. But yeah, it's always nice to have. Probably not gonna use it. Here's the new 3DS XL. It's kinda smaller than expected, but yeah. Stupid. But yeah, Nintendo sucks, so. If the phone doesn't support a stylus, I guess I'll have to use my own. Seems to work pretty well. Yeah, I think the stylus works pretty well. So if you need a stylus for your phone, just use a knife, trust me. I'm sorry folks, there seems to be another screen I've forgotten about. We don't need those buttons anymore, so let's get them out of here. Alright, I don't think the buttons are going to work that much anymore, so let's get right to using our stylus again. Alright, I think I did a pretty good job. Alright, I get it. You're tired of one-screen phones. And even if you don't have one, you're even tired of two-screen phones. So what I decided to do, I'm going to make the first ever 3-screen phone and make a really revolutionary item. Let's see how easy it is. Take away that, this, for a little bit of that, and we got it, the first ever 3-screen phone. So yeah, there you are. And if you pre-order now, we'll give you the first ever Bluetooth freaking hose. You know, legit. Yeah, let's just put it out of his misery. Stupid freaking buttons. Ugh. Those are probably the crappiest speakers I've ever seen. Just get rid of them. Oh, it's almost like a book in here, you know what I'm saying? Some broken glass. Ugh. One side. Now to detach the other if I can. Ugh. Just to mention also, I'm going to be making a new music video coming out. It's going to be Christmas themed. I'm currently working on it. It's in progress right now. And I just want to get this video done so I could start working on it more. But yeah, that's the end of the video. That's the phone. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you next time.